Hey guys, Omar here with ABC Austin Service Express, and I'm working on another cooler here. He's got the 3 up here, and this one here also had a bad contactor. We had some lightning yesterday, so this is what burned some of these things out. So let me show you. I put a new one on there. Let me show you the difference between an old one and a new one. So this is the old one, and you can see right here where it's burnt crisp. You can see right there, and that was, I'm sorry, that was the old one. And here's a new one, and you can see right here where it's black, so which is normal. This is a new one. So again, this is the old one. You can see where it's toasted right there. See that little like a grayish. And this one here, you can see where it's totally black right there. So we got a new contactor for them there. And happy customer. 512-448-0532, 512-448-0532. See you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.